The St. Kitts Meteorological Office has announced that Hurricane Lee will pass at a safe distance north of the Federation, and there is no expected significant impact on the islands. Senior Met Officer Elmo Burke told ZIZ News that we will, however, see a change in weather conditions over the weekend.
Over this weekend, we are likely to see the potential passing showers accompanied with some isolated thunderstorms from today into tomorrow. Seas are likely to be a bit choppy as we see an increase in swell activity, more so on the northern and the eastern side of the island. And as the system moves north and moves further away from us, some of these swells are going to wrap around the island and start to affect the western coastline.
Meanwhile, National Disaster Coordinator at the National Emergency Management Agency, Abdias Samuel, said although we are expected to be spared from the worst, there is no time to become complacent.
If this storm was coming close to us, it would have been challenging to any Caribbean state or any country that it would have impacted. So therefore, this is an alert, this is an advisory for you to do what's necessary now to prepare for any potential impact from any other tropical storms that may pass in our area.
This afternoon, Hurricane Lee was registered as a Category 4 hurricane. However, only the outer bands of wind and rain are expected to affect the Federation over the weekend.